Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So if you don't know, Travis Scott does have a new colorway coming out, and you might have seen it. It's all brown and brown pair. We don't know when it's actually releasing right now. Stay tuned for that. Also, today is the 9th of May. Travis Scott did re-release some more pairs of the Jordan Jumpman Jack. I did go on there, but I did click on the picture and all it said was processing. I don't know if I'm supposed to do something else. Comment down below if he was able to hit today on May 9th, the Travis Scott website. Also, we know on May 10th, they are releasing the other colorway, the black and white pair with the red check. So we wish y'all all the best of luck. Sneakerheads on that. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out the 21st to the 27th of April. Starting off with the April 26th, we did have a Jordan 1 High golf shoe. This was in that UNC colorway. And to my surprise, all sizes are still available, 7 through 15 in men's. I did not go ahead and pull the trigger on those because if you don't know, I saved my money for the Jordan 4 military blues that were coming out. I did go ahead and secure my pair, but we will be seeing an updated video on that, so stay tuned for that. So what we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, on April the 26th, we did have an Air Jordan 4. This is the GS sizes, aka Bebe's, hyper violet. According to Nike.com, 3.5 to 6.5 is still available. So if you're looking to cop these shoes, that price point of 160 is kind of steep. So I can see why these shoes are still available. But if you do want to cop them, hey, on Nike.com, they're still available.
Yes, sir. So moving on, the same day, April 26th, this was a Nike release. They did have a Travis Scott Jordan 1 Jumpman Jack shoe released at a retail price of $200. This was the first colorway. So if you don't know, Travis Scott released these on his website. The second release was on Nike Sneakers app. I did take an L on those. And then today, May 9th, Travis Scott is releasing these again. So again, I might as well say I took an L on today's release too. All sizes did sell out. So congratulations to Travis Scott. He keeps putting out these bangers and they keep on selling out. So moving on to what we got next, my brother.
So on April 27th, we have the Air Jordan 1 OG Team Red. Price point for those is $180. According to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. So you're looking to cop these, they are available on Nike.com. So hey, shoot us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But according to Nike.com, all sizes are still available.
Yes, sir. So finishing off the week, the same day, April 27th, we did have a Jordan 3, aka Georgia Peach. This was a women's exclusive pair. It did not come in extended sizes. However, both of the big sizes did sell out, the ones that the men's can wear. However, all sizes are still available for the women's. Women's size 5 through 8.5 still available at Nike.com. So you want these, come and scoop these up, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.